Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and you're watching So Beauty Stuff. Today I wanted to show you a really quick and easy tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. Excuse my nails, they really need redoing. So obviously being that it's a purple themed palette, I thought I'd go for a purple themed look. When you look at the colours, there isn't actually heaps and heaps of purple in here, particularly in the mattes. There's actually no matte purple, but I quite like mixing Soul and Love together to create a matte base. And I went for Celestial and Drama as kind of purple shimmers on top today. So it's a really simple, easy look. It's like this nice purple smoky eye, and I've paired it with a purple lip. This is Heroine by MAC, which I think finishes off really nicely. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching and I'll show you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial. My verdict on this palette, just very quickly, is that it's the same great formula as Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam. I really like that it's a very different color selection, but the great thing about Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes is they all have the sort of base neutrals. Obviously you can get a really purple look, but you could also get a really neutral look. Using a lot of these sort of like golds and champagne-y kind of colours. So I'm really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying playing with it. Obviously I'm drawn to the purples because that's the theme of the palette, but there's many more looks I can get out of this, and I look forward to sharing more of them with you soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was useful to you. I'd love to see some more looks from you if you've got the Norvina palette. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and you can subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future videos. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!